follow your passion. But what is our passion? What is our purpose? What is our inner drive that compels us to move forward? Then we come across all sorts of questions that we need to answer to find our passion and purpose. But we still are not able to answer those set of questions. Do you fall in that category? If yes, just give me a huge thumbs up or like, and please subscribe to my channel. My name is Nimish Ramesh, son of two lovely parents, brother of a beautiful independent woman. I'm an engineer turned MBA turned senior HR professional turned life coach. And my mission in life is to help 100,000 people realize and achieve their true potential and be their best selves always. Okay, so why is it so difficult to follow our passion? Why is it difficult for us to find a purpose? Okay, so let's get into the root cause of this problem. Okay, point number one is we are all conditioned in a particular way. We all are different individuals with the way we have been brought up and the environment in which we have been brought up. It's because of our friend circle, our family circle, and therefore each individual is different. Point number two, we all desire what other people desire. Whatever our friends desire, whatever our friends achieve, we want to achieve those same things. And when we achieve them, when we manage to achieve them, we realize that this is not what we really wanted. Okay. Point number three, we want to achieve multiple things at once, which actually is not possible. Our generation is the generation that wants instant gratification, which is always not the case. I know of a friend, a colleague of mine who works in an MNC, and he was really in a low state because he thinks that he did not contribute much to the company. And trust me, he's not even been with that company for even a year. Okay, so this is how our generation's thought process is. Okay, so how do we go about it? How do we go about finding our passion and purpose? I want you all to remember one thing. We do not find a passion. We develop our passion. Okay, so what is it that stops us from finding our passion? The only reason that I see here is fear. If you know what your passion is, you're just fearful of pursuing your passion. Who is telling you to do it for full time, right? Just follow your passion for some time a day and then develop that passion. Okay, over time, gradually, you will become so obsessed with your passion that unknowingly you will just follow it. Okay, for those who do not know what your passion is, you have the fear of venturing into the unknown. You have the fear of what the society will look at you, from which eyes the society will look at you, from which perspective the society will look at you. You have the fear of being the weird person in the society. Okay, you have the fear of exploring new things. So for the people who do not know what your passion is, start exploring. Start exploring something one by one by one. This is not a one-day process. It takes time. Okay, and lastly, please spend time with yourself. And that is the time when you will understand what your true passion is. And like all matters of heart, you will know where your true passion lies. Point number one, do not fear to follow your passion. Point number two, do not fear of exploring new things. Okay, let's break it down into a simpler sentence. Interest, passion, purpose. You develop an interest regarding something. You build on that interest to make it a passion, which then becomes an obsession for you. And then when your passion has a certain way of contributing to the society, it becomes a purpose. I hope I made this point clear. If you all resonate with me, please hit on the subscribe button and I'll come with more such videos. Till then, bye-bye.